This is one of those things where
explosion.
people look at it, they see a big scary word like black holes, or they see things in sci-fi movies,
Yeah, and it's
like
cool and
wormholes
massive
and stuff like that.
fascinating.
Yeah, it's cool, it's fascinating, but no one really knows what it is, and unless until they see videos like this that kind of explains it.
Yeah,
Or
exactly.
like the sun, there's videos where it's like the sun will blow up in 10 billion years or whatever.
So yeah,
it's
I want
gonna
to again, as I said before, I want to go into science communication.
Yeah.
And at a level that's a little bit deeper, but it's still definitely.
But can you give us an example
Sorry,
of
go on.
what something is that you want to, let's say you were to open up your own science communication
So
video
I
platform.
do. I want to start a blog on Substack, but I'm just procrastinating. I've been
or you could,
procrastinating for years.
I'm sure you'll make a couple of blog posts on Knowness.com, Knowness app,
100% will.
Instagram, and the website.
Great website.
Yeah, great website. That's a great website. But what are some things you'd want to kind of talk about? What
Well, I mean, there's so many things that.
Yeah,
you
I mean,
just,
I guess
like,
complexity
completely-
theories. I know it's kind of overwhelming.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a big question, but I guess
But,
complexity theory is
the
one of them.
first thing I like to explain, I think the first thing I would love to explain to,
Mm-hmm.
and I guess this is my opportunity to do this, so, is a little bit of what quantum mechanics is.
I wanted to ask, because quantum mechanics, when you mentioned it earlier, I still don't really have a firm understanding of what it is.
So again, this is where I think some of the modern science communication has done a disservice, where it's like quantum mechanics is this really complicated thing that's really weird,
Yeah.
and only really smart people understand it. Bye. That's literally the gist.
I mean, that's the vibe.
I feel like that's what everyone gets, even though it is weird, but it's weird in very specific ways. And I think it is a bit dangerous the way people talk about quantum mechanics, because I've heard a lot of people who think that quantum mechanics is a mystical thing.
I was in like
Wishy-washy,
kind of pseudoscience.
like pseudoscience. Like people think that quantum
I mean, that's kind of the
entanglement.
perception I have
it's
at
like
the moment.
it's
It seems
almost
like a very theoretical based.
yeah, but I mean, no, it's
science.
real.